Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in Patriot Blue. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, chrome appearance package, tow package, heated, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, Ram Box cargo management system, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90282A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.